Hey guys, Stuart here. Welcome back to another Sheetify CRM tutorial. Today we're going to dive into my AI-driven receipt scanner for small businesses. I'm going to show you how to connect the Receipts to Sheets app with Sheetify Bookkeeping. Essentially, it's a receipt scanner for Google Sheets and Google Drive, allowing you to quickly capture and manage your receipt and expense data. The great thing about this AI receipt scanner app is it's free for Sheetify Bookkeeping users. So if you own a Sheetify Bookkeeping template, then you can use our Receipts to Sheets app completely for free. If you want to connect your own Google Sheets template or create and connect one from scratch, we do offer a premium plan. We also have AI insights built in, allowing you to simply add a prompt about your expenses, and the app will give you insights based on your receipt and expense data. Now, if you're completely new to the Receipts to Sheets app, I suggest you watch our complete Receipts to Sheets tutorial, which I'll link down below in the description. This covers everything that you can do with this receipt and expense management app. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so to download my AI-driven receipt scanner called Receipts to Sheets, simply head over to receipts2sheets.app. Then depending on the mobile operating system that you use, you can download on iOS or Android. Then once you've downloaded the Receipts to Sheets app on your mobile device, simply go ahead and open up the app. Then to sign up and create an account, simply add your email or password or sign up through these other methods. Then you just need to verify your email, add a 4-digit PIN code, and you'll be taken inside Receipts to Sheets. I've already got an account set up, so I'll meet you inside. Now once you arrive inside Receipts to Sheets, you have the option to instantly scan your receipt. However, because this is your first time using Receipts to Sheets, we first need to set up our account. Simply click on the burger menu in the top right hand corner, and that's going to take you to settings. Then we want to connect a Google Drive folder to save our receipt images. Following this, we'll connect our Google Sheets file. Now it's important to note that if you have a Sheetify Bookkeeping template that you purchased from Sheetify CRM, this is a Google Sheets Bookkeeping template. Then you have access to the free plan inside the Receipts to Sheets app. If you want to connect a custom Google Sheets file, one that you already own, or if you want the app to create and connect a new Google Sheets file, then you can try this app for free for 7 days. Then it's $7.99 per month. And we'll talk about these two options soon. Okay, let's first connect our Google Drive. Continue. And right away after connecting your Google Drive, a Google Drive folder will be created called Receipts to Sheets. This is where your receipt images will be stored after scanning a receipt. If you want to change the receipt upload folder, you can simply click here and select the folder that you want to connect. Then navigate down to Map your Google Sheets fields. As I mentioned before, you can automatically connect Sheetify Bookkeeping for free, which is a Google Sheets bookkeeping template. If you want to learn more about our Sheetify Bookkeeping template, simply click down here to learn more about Sheetify Bookkeeping and all the different tools and features that this Google Sheets template has to offer. And then we have two other options for connecting Google Sheets. If we click on Custom Google Sheets File, you can either connect your own sheet or create and connect a new sheet. And we'll talk more about these two options shortly. For now, I want to connect Sheetify Bookkeeping because I own a Sheetify Bookkeeping template. Type in the spreadsheet name. Here's the example Sheetify Bookkeeping template that I want to connect. Click on Select. Once the connection is validated, you're all set up and ready to go. Okay, let's click on Back and let's scan our first receipt by clicking on Scan Now. Take a photo. Here's an example petrol receipt. Click Use Photo. Give Receipts to Sheets a moment to load. If we click here, we can quickly view the receipt, and then we can navigate down here to see the receipt details. We've got the receipt name, date, amount, category, as well as receipt ID, as this is the 6th receipt that I'm scanning. And then we have items and notes. You can change any of these details. For example, the receipt name, the receipt amount, the date. Let's cancel out of this. And we can also change the categories. We can search for the category, or select the category from down here. And let's go ahead and change the items and notes. Travel to client's office, for example. Let's hit done. And then when you're happy with the data collected, simply click on Sheetify Receipt. The image will be uploaded to Google Drive, and the data that you collected will be added to the Google Sheets template that you connected. And you can see the receipt has been processed successfully. You can see the receipt summary here, as well as the processing results, image uploaded to Google Drive, data added to Google Sheets row 8, saved to receipt database, and shareable image link generated. Now, if we click on View Spreadsheet, we can open up the connected Google Sheet on our mobile device. I'm going to close this for now and show you the results on my laptop by opening up the Google Sheets template I have connected. Again, for this example, I connected my Google Sheets template, Sheetify Bookkeeping. You can see the date has been added, as well as the receipt ID under item, product, or service. the name of the receipt as well as the category added, the receipt amount, as well as the tax, which is automatically calculated based on the settings inside this template. Then we have the net expense, the notes that we added, and across here we have the links. This is the link to the image that is stored in our Google Drive. For example, if I navigate over here and click on this image, that's going to take me to the receipt image that I captured and sent to my Google Drive folder. Let's open up the Google Drive folder, and here inside my Google Drive folder, Receipts to Sheets, you can see all the receipts that I've captured. Okay, let's jump back over to the Google Sheets template, and again under Expenses, you can see all my receipt data. Now the great thing about using Sheetify Bookkeeping is you can use this Google Sheets template to manage all your income, expenses, as well as bookkeeping related tasks, as well as manage detailed reporting. For example, if we navigate down to Monthly Dashboard, we have a monthly review. We can simply select the month, the year, and we can see a breakdown of all our income and expenses. We have the same with an annual dashboard, as well as a 5-year dashboard, a custom dashboard, comparison dashboard, sales tax, and balance sheet. Again, if you're interested in learning more about our Google Sheets Sheetify Bookkeeping template, I will add relevant links, information, and tutorials down below in the description. Also, if you jump into Setup inside Sheetify Bookkeeping, this Google Sheets template, and you update any of the expense categories over here, then these will be updated in the app. For example, let's jump back inside Receipts to Sheets app, and if we navigate down here and we want to change the category, and we've added a new category inside the Google Sheets template, we can simply come down and click on refresh, and that's going to refresh categories and update those categories. And if we click here now, you can see all the custom added categories down here. Now let's jump into AI Insights. This is where you can leverage AI to gain quick insights into your expenses. These are the expenses that you've added inside your Google Sheets template, whether those are manually added expenses or receipt data that you've sent from this app. For example, if we navigate down here, we can simply add a prompt inside the search bar, or we can select from these options. For example, what was my biggest expense over the last month? And as you can see, that was the brunch club, $486 on the 26th of October. Now we can edit the insight by simply adding more information here if we like, before copying the data, and that's copied to our clipboard, and we can share with an employee, or we can add somewhere else. Now let's use another template prompt, generate a bar graph comparing my expense categories over the last 90 days. And you can see a bar graph has been generated. Now we can also preview in a full screen, as you can see, like this. And then we can also share and create a PDF that contains the result of my prompt. For example, let's share this with my laptop and have a look. As you can see, AI has instantly generated this response, this PDF report based on my prompt. Expense categories, comparison, you can see the date and time this report was generated, a summary, total categories recorded, total amount, highest category, and you can see the results over here, as well as category distribution over the last 90 days based on my prompt. And then we have the breakdown down here. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, let's jump back inside the app. Okay, let's add a custom prompt to further understand my expenses on my connected Google Sheets template. Create a pie graph of my expenses based on categories in October 2025. Let's click Done and Generate Insight. And you can see the AI Insight has been generated. Expense categories distribution. This is the pie graph based on my expenses in October. Again, I can click on Share, and that's going to generate a PDF. And I can share that PDF with my team if I like. I'm going to preview what the PDF looks like on my laptop again. Okay, so here we have the AI Insights report, powered by Receipts to Sheets. Down here you can see the report details. So remember, this was a custom prompt, and you can see the custom prompt down here. We also have the AI analysis, and then we have the expense categories breakdown. We've got total expenses, number of categories, highest category and lowest category. If we navigate down, we have the pie graph distribution, as well as the category, amount, and percentage. Okay, so I'm happy with that. Let's jump back inside the Receipts to Sheets app. Now back inside AI Insights, if we click on this gear icon, that's going to show us the spreadsheet connected. So you want to make sure that you've connected the right Google Sheets template, and you'll see the worksheet that is being analyzed. If you're connecting Sheetify Bookkeeping, the worksheet will always be expenses. If you're connecting a custom Google Sheets template or creating a Google Sheets template from scratch with this app, the worksheet name will be R2S expenses. Okay, let's close out of this. and head back. As you can see, this AI receipt scanner and expense manager is powerful for Google Sheets users that want to better track and manage day-to-day expenses. Again, if you're interested in learning more about our Sheetify bookkeeping template that you can connect to the Receipt to Sheets app for free, I will add the relevant information down below in the description. Now, if you have any questions about this tutorial, make sure to pop them down below. And with that said, thank you so much for watching this video all the way through to the end. If you got value, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.